Okay, first up we have a 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS LS6 equipped with the fearsome 454 engine delivering 450 horsepower and 500 pounds of torque. Paired with the rugged M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed, F41 suspension, posi traction, and cowl induction, this rare muscle icon, only 4,475 produced, stands as one of Chevrolet's most powerful and sought-after creations. This car still has the original sales slip, and back in 1970, this car sold for $4,641. Okay, here you can see the 8-track cassette player here. GM and other automakers began offering 8-track tape players in 1967. The format remained common throughout the late 1960s and the 1970s. It started disappearing by the early 1980s as cassette decks became dominant. Okay, here we have a 1963 Impala SS featuring the ultra-rare 425 horsepower dual-quad 409 V8 engine, delivering a massive 425 horsepower and 425 pounds of torque through a 4-speed manual transmission. Only about 1,200 were produced, making it one of Chevrolet's most coveted early 1960 muscle icons, originally priced in the mid-$3,000 range. Okay, here we have a 1968 Jaguar XKE delivering classic British styling with bold American power. Upgraded with a Ford Boss 302 V8, Ford manual transmission, and a crisp Hurst shifter. The combination creates a unique blend of lightweight handling and muscular performance, transforming this iconic Jaguar into a one-of-a-kind restomod that balances elegance, speed, and attitude. Okay, next up we have a 1966 Plymouth Satellite packing the legendary 426 Street Hemi, featuring dual 4-barrel carburetors, 425 horsepower, and 490 pounds of foot torque. Backed by the heavy-duty internals, a reinforced drivetrain, and a classic B-body styling, this rare high-performance Mopar delivers brutal acceleration and unmistakable attitude, embodying the raw muscle car spirit of the mid-1960s. Okay, here we have a 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, powered by a Boss 302 V8 producing 290 horsepower and 290 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a close ratio 4-speed manual transmission. With aggressive styling, sharp handling, and rare performance pedigree, only about 1,000 Boss 302 equipped Cougar Eliminators were built, making this car a highly collectible icon of the late 60s American muscle. Okay, here's a 1948 Mercury 8 convertible featuring a 239.4 cubic inch inline 8-cylinder engine, paired with a classic 3-speed manual transmission. Delivering smooth torque and timeless cruising performance, it combines elegant post-war styling, flowing fenders, and luxurious interior details. A rare and collectible example, it epitomizes late 1940s American automotive design and open-air motoring. Okay, here we have a 1970 Shelby GT500 fastback featuring a 351 cubic inch Windsor V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, producing 290 horsepower and 370 pounds of torque. Made it to a close ratio 4-speed manual transmission. Aggressive Shelby styling includes hood scoop, rear spoiler, and unique badging, while performance upgrades like heavy-duty suspension and front disc brakes enhance handling. With only 1,946 built, this GT500 is a rare, iconic American muscle car. Okay, here's the last one for today. This is a 1967 Pontiac GTO powered by a 400 cubic inch Ram Air V8 engine, which produced 360 horsepower and 438 pounds of torque. This was mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. The Ram Air option was rare and high performance, making it one of the most collectible 1967 GTO configurations. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe, and please check out my other videos on Raw Classic Car channel. Enjoy the holidays and keep safe.